good people? Huge shout out to Bannister Nissan for allowing me to review the 2021 Nissan Titan.
Today we're viewing the 2021 Nissan Titan. This particular model wrapped in a gun metallic. For the length 220 inches, height 77 inches. You have a wheelbase of 139 inches with a ground clearance of 9 inches. Right here we're looking at a 5.6 liter V8 engine pushing out 400. For the torque, 413 at 4,000 RPM. For the MPG highway, 21, city 16. Here's the sound of it. Right here we're looking at a 20-inch chrome wheel wrapped around Goodyear with power disc brakes in all four corners. This particular model has remote start. Now we're making our way inside of the vehicle. We're greeted with black leather seats. Right here we're looking at an analog digital display. On the left you have your RPMs with your engine temp. On the right you have your gas gauge with your MPH. In the middle you have a digital display. Using the buttons on the left side of the steering wheel where you can go through your speed, off-road, driving, fuel economy, and all that other good stuff. Now we're bringing it back to your standard steering wheel control. You have your Bluetooth and volume button alongside your cruise control setting with your forward collision. You have your memory seat settings. Looking down on the door panel, you have your standard unlock and lock with your one-touch window control with mirror control. You have your shift lever. This particular model is a 9-speed automatic transmission. You have your engine start button, aka your push button start. This particular model is a keyless entry with your 4-wheel high and 4-wheel low bezel. We're looking at an 8-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, running the latest Nissan Connect. Let's not forget your traditional radio shortcuts. Now we've made it down to your door climate control. The buttons right here are your traction control, parking assist with your hazard lights. Alongside your Nissan Intelligent with your heated steering wheel. In the cubby area, you have your 2 USB outlets with your heated seats. Alongside your 12-volt outlet. You have your cup holder area. Now we're making our way inside of the center console. Wow, this is pretty deep. You have your glove box for extra storage space. Now we're made our way up to your interior lighting. Alongside your SOS Safety Connect with your rear window control. Now we are making our way to the back of the vehicle. We are also greeted with black leather seats. A little fun fact, there are 8 Titan words stamped throughout the whole truck. You have your cup holder area. Another little fun fact, there are 8 cup holders throughout the whole vehicle. You have your air vent with your 2 USB outlet alongside your 12 volt outlet and your 120 volt outlet. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control. We done made our way back up to your interior lighting. In the clip as shown, I am 5'11" with decent amount of leg room. You have your tailgate drop assist. This particular model is a 5.5 inch standard bed, measuring at 77 inches long by 63 inches wide.
Once again, huge shout out to Bannister Nissan for allowing me to review the 2021 Nissan Titan. If you need any information about them, I'll leave a link in the description below. Like always, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.